Alright, so here we go again with our wiring installation of the 4 bulbs controlled by one single pole switch. So we have 4 bulbs, bulb A, B, C, and D. Then the control device and of course the circuit breaker used to protect the circuit from any overcurrent occurs during the installation. Alright, so how are we going to connect the 4 bulbs? Of course, you simply follow the 4 cycles of the current flow in the circuit. So the first cycle is what we call the coming from the source. We have one wire coming from the source going to the load of the circuit. So we have here first load, we have bulb A, you're going to connect. Second bulb, we have bulb B also to connect in the first cycle again. Third bulb, we have bulb C also to connect here. Bulb D, the 4th bulbs are also connect in the first cycle connections. Alright, now for the second cycle is coming from the load of the circuit going to the control device. So from the load of the circuit, we have bulb A, bulb B, you're going to connect. Bulb C, connect it also. Bulb D, connect it also. And of course, the last one is the control line or the control device. So this is the second cycle of the wiring flow. Alright? Then, for the third cycle and the last cycle is coming from the control device, going back to the source line, and that is to complete the wiring circuit of these 4 bulbs controlled by one single pole switch. So all you have to do now is going to switch on the circuit breaker first, then it will energize. Simply off the switch off, switch on again, switch off, switch on again, breaker off, breaker on, switch off, switch on, breaker off. That's it.